Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine. Open your computer book. We are doing lesson 9 Internet Services. In the previous video, I have explained about commerce, buying and selling products electronically in exchange for money over the internet, that is called e-commerce. E-commerce includes e-learning, e-shopping, e-banking, e-ticketing and e-greeting. This is a features of e-commerce. Now we will read about this one by one. First is e-learning. E-learning. What is e-learning? Let's read. E-learning refers to the learning conducted over an electronic network, specifically using a computer and internet connection. E-learning includes teleconferencing, video conferencing, live chats, educational videos, and so on. Nowadays, you are not going to school and you are doing e-learning at home. Means with the using mobile or computer, you can learn your concept you are learning at home, that is called e-learning. This method of learning enables people to learn without having to attend the physical classroom. It is a step ahead of the traditional learning system and has efficiently taken the whole idea of education to the next level. The benefits of e-learning are as listed below. So I hope you have understood what is e-learning. So you are doing at home without going to school. You are learning at home with using mobile or computer and with the internet connection. This is called e-learning. Now what are the benefits of e-learnings? The first benefit is it allows flexible learning hours and schedules. Means anytime you can learn at home. There is no time particular. One can study at home in an online study center, library, office or anywhere across the world. So you can learn at home, you can learn at library, in office, anywhere you can learn. There no need to go to the school. It is cost and time effective since one does not have to spend money and time on traveling. So it is cost and time effective. A student can access and download the study material anytime, anywhere. The student can download the study material anytime and from anywhere. Instructors can be contracted for assistance whenever required. Assignments are submitted online, exams are conducted online. Moreover, results and course certificates can also be retrieved over the internet. These are the benefits. Various renowned institutions such as IIT, Harvard and MIT offer free online classes. The popular e-learning websites are Khan Academy, Coursera, W3 Schools, TED and so on. There are so many websites that provide you the study material like Khan Academy is here, Coursera, W3 School, TED. Khan Academy is a free online educational platform created in 2008 by Salman Khan with the goal of creating a set of online tools that would help educate students. This organization creates and uploads short lessons in the form of YouTube videos. Its websites also includes supplementary practice exercises and materials for teachers. So, Khan Academy is developed by Salman Khan. It is created by Salman Khan. And it provides all the study material online. You can upload short lesson in the form of YouTube videos from this organization. And it has different practice exercises also. So, I hope you have understood because nowadays you are doing online e-learning. Next is e-shopping, online shopping. Let's read about e-shopping. E-shopping is also known as online shopping. It has changed the whole experience of shopping. It allows people to shop products online while sitting comfortably at their homes. Nowadays, a variety of web portals allow you to shop online. What is e-shopping? Means online without going to the market. You are purchasing anything, you are giving the order for the products, and that order with the supplier uh, provides you at their home. So this is e-shopping. Some popular websites where you can shop online are as listed below. These are the some popular websites from where you can purchase anything, like www.amazon.com, www.ebay.com, www.flipkart.com, www.myntra.com, www.shopclues.com, www.jabang.com. These are the popular websites from where you can purchase any product. Each online web portal has an electronic catalog which is divided into various categories where products are listed with their prices. It has a special shopping cart software which allow you to select items for purchase. Over the last decade, the online shopping industry has grown tremendously. It is one of the fastest growing sectors. Nowadays, everyone is doing e-shopping. They are purchasing products online. They are not going to the market. They are not wasting their time to go to the market. By using these websites, you can purchase your products anytime, anywhere. Our next topic is e-ticketing. E-ticketing. Earlier, people used to go to the railway station, bus stands, or airports to book their tickets. They had to stand in long queues and wait for hours. It was a very tiresome and time-consuming task. Nowadays, various web portals are available that provide e-ticketing or electronic ticketing services. E-ticketing is an online platform using which you can make reservations and cancel bus and flight tickets while sitting comfortably at your home or some other location. Apart from buying traveling tickets, you can also purchase movie tickets, book hotel rooms, and other services. Once your reservation is confirmed, you receive a confirmatory email or text message along with the e-ticket. Various websites that provide e-ticketing services are as follows: www.yatra.com, www.irctc.co.in, www.makemytrip.com, www.goibibo.com, www.bookmyshow.com, www.cleartrip.com. These are some websites that we use for e-ticketing. Means we can book our tickets for the bus reservation, for the railways reservation, for flight reservation. We are using e-ticketing. So these are some websites that is given here for e-ticketing purpose. The www.irctc.co.in is the official website of the Indian Railways. Okay, this is the home page of IRCTC. Now, our next topic is e-banking. E-banking. What is e-banking? E-banking stands for electronic banking. E-banking is also known as internet banking, net banking, or online banking. E-banking is an online platform that enables bank account holder to access various services of banks online without having to visit a bank. You can access account information and perform transactions anytime, as per your convenience. Means if you want to do any transactions of money, like you want to send money to your friend, to your relatives, and you want to receive money from your friend or relatives at home, then there is a e-banking. For example, if you have an account in a bank and you have net banking access to that bank, then by entering your valid user ID and password, you can transfer funds, check online statements, make credit card payments, and so on. Some popular banks that provide net banking services are SBI, PNB, ICICI, Axis, HDFC, Kotak Mahindra, and so on. These are some net banking services. These provide a net banking services. The URL of these banks are listed below. www.onlinesbi.com, www.pnbindia.in, www.axisbank.com, www.hdfcbank.com, www.icicibank.com, www.kotak.com. These are the websites. By using these bank websites, you can do any transactions at home. E-banking safety measures. What are the e-banking safety measures? Always make financial transaction from a secure website which is indicated by HTTPs. Means always you will do transaction, always you should do transaction from a secure website. And these websites are very secure. Never share your password, OTP, ATM Pin, and other confidential banking details with anyone. So you should never share your password, OTP, or any other bank detail, confidential banking detail. After completing the online banking session, it is advisable to securely log out from the banking site. If you have opened the bank websites and you are doing any transaction, then you should log out after doing that transaction. You should log out. Now, what is UPI? Full form of UPI is Unified Payments Interface. Unified Payments Interface. Let's read about Unified Payments Interface, that is UPI. UPI is a real-time payment system. It is a payment system. It was developed by National Payments Corporation of India, that is NPCI, National Payments Corporation of India, launched on 11th April 2016. It is designed to transfer money between two accounts through a mobile platform. If you want to send transactions, if you want to do transactions from mobile platform, then there is a UPI. UPI is a service that provides a payment service. UPI is regulated by Reserve Bank of India. UPI is a step towards making India a cashless economy. It is an efficient step in making cashless payments faster and easier for millions of people in our country. It is a safe and secure method for performing transactions as it is done in a highly encrypted format. UPI is a very safe method to transfer money. Next is BHIM, Bharat Interface for Money. BHIM is a Bharat Interface for Money. BHIM is a UPI-based service. It is an instant payment application that enables you to transfer money using just a mobile number. The app supports all India banks which use that platform and allows the user to instantly transfer money between bank account of any two parties. It can be used on all mobile devices. BHIM is an app. This is an app. BHIM. This is an app. You can install in your mobile and you can transfer money securely. The next topic is e-greeting. E-greeting cards are electronic cards created using digital media. These cards are sent in the form of a link through email. A number of websites provide paid or free access to send e-greetings on birthdays, anniversaries, and other occasions. So, some popular e-greeting websites are as listed below. That is www.123greetings.com, www.hallmarkcards.com, www.egreetings.gov.in, www.americangreetings.com, www.bluemountain.com, www.ecards.com. These are the website that provides e-greetings, means electronically, means online. You can send greetings on others' birthday, anniversaries, or any other occasions. You can get any type of greetings by using these websites. Okay, now you have understood the e-commerce. In e-commerce, there are different things like e-learning, e-shopping, e-ticketing, e-banking, e-greeting. I hope you all have understood about these.